Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is Fred, and in this video what I wanted to do is I wanted to go ahead and talk to you guys about credit and the impact that it has on your financial future. So to get started, a little bit about myself, to give you a little bit of background. My name is Fred Levi. I'm the VP of Sales at Approve My Score, and I've been in the industry for 18 years. And I started 18 years ago because I was in a predicament where I needed a vehicle. And I didn't qualify for a vehicle. When I went to the dealership to try to buy one, they told me that even with a cosigner, I wouldn't qualify. So basically what they told me is my credit was so bad that they didn't want to extend it to me, even if a cosigner would pay it for me. So that's how bad my credit was. Fast forward a little bit of time went by. My sister gave me a packet of information on credit repair and how I could repair my own credit. So I started to learn the topic of credit repair and what it meant and the laws that protected us as a consumer. And with those laws, I started putting them into play, and things started getting deleted from my credit report. And I not only qualified, but I got better rates. Now, it took me a little while to do this. It wasn't an overnight process because I was trying to learn at the same time I was experimenting with myself. So I say that to say that I'm a student of the game. Now, like I said in the beginning of this video, I have 18 years experience in credit repair. Give me one. Okay. So I got 18 years of experience in credit repair, and out of that time, I've also put in another 13 years in debt collections. So, no, actually, it was a little longer than that. It was 15 years in debt collection. So I did 5 years of regular collections, and I did 10 years as a legal collector. So basically what I'm trying to get at is the laws that are put in place to protect us as consumers are the laws that I've had to follow for these past 18 years. One, with my time doing collections, and two, my time with doing credit repair. A few years ago, I took a step back and I said to myself, I'm on the wrong side, and I had to change some things because I had a passion for helping people, but my job with collections, especially as a legal collector, I wasn't helping nobody. My help would be to tell them to set up a payment plan with me to avoid me from garnishing their wages or doing a bank levy on them. So why am I telling you guys all this? I want to tell it to you because I want you to know that I do have a passion to help people. I have a passion of looking at people for what they are, and I want to give them what they deserve. Now, I know we all go through times. We all go through times of difficulty where we're not able to pay a bill and we get behind, or things happen, life happens, it gets in the way, and all kinds of things could happen. We could miss payments, we could get charge-offs, we can go into collections, file bankruptcy, have repossessions, short sales, whatever the case is that deals with credit and how it can become bad. It could also become good. And this video is just to come to you guys and let you know, hey, I've been there, I've been where you are, and a lot of times people are embarrassed of their situation. And if this is you, you don't need to be embarrassed, okay? Because a lot of people have been in the same situation that you're in. So if you guys are looking at somebody who can help you with your credit and help repair the errors on your credit report, I'd love to be able to talk to you. What I'll do now is I'm just going to go ahead and get into a little bit of information. Just go ahead and tell you a little bit about our service and how our service works. So what what differentiates us from the others out there is, you know, yeah, we do use the laws, the Fair Credit Reporting Act, the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, RESPA, TILA, the Fair Credit Billing Act, Equal Opportunity Credit Act. All these laws, we use those laws, but what we mainly put our focus in is Metro 2 compliance. Now, if you're looking at trying to get with a company that's on the cutting edge of things, ask them what they know about Metro 2 compliance. And basically that's what where we focus our energy at, is the Metro 2 compliance. And it has to do with the settlement that was put in place between the credit bureaus and the New York State Attorney General a couple years back. So if you guys want to be on the cutting edge, reach out to us. You know, you can go to our website, get a feel for our company. The website is approvemyscore.com. Again, it's approvemyscore.com. Or give us a call, 1-800-972-3970. Again, 1-800-972-3970. Or send us an email. If that's easier, a lot of times people just want to email us. Feel free to send us an email. We'll get back with you and answer any questions you might have. If you need a consultation, we can give you a free 15-minute consultation to answer any questions you may have. Sometimes people say, why is it only 15 minutes? I've been doing this for a very long time, and 15 minutes is all I need to answer a majority of your questions. If you go over 15 minutes, hey, you know, pick and choose the questions that you have. I can go over a little bit, but you know, if you're getting into the hour range, you know, we might charge a consultation fee at that point, and then if you want to get started, we'll just use those fees for the consultation. We'll apply it towards your getting started with us. A lot of questions people have is, how much does it cost? It's $149 to get started, and then $119 per month thereafter. There is an additional $21.99 fee for credit monitoring. You have to go through our approved vendor for credit monitoring, but we've secured a better price for you guys at $21.99 per month. How long does the services take? Services take, on average, anywhere between 4 to 6 months. Sometimes less, sometimes more, but on average it's about 4 to 6 months. That's our sweet spot. And what type of results can you see? I have clients coming to me with scores in the 400 to 500s, and they leave my service with 700 scores all day long. So if you want to see results, I post them on our fan page. You go to you go to facebook.com/approvemyscore, and you'll see all kinds of results that we post up there from our clients that we receive. Like I said, if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. With that being said, I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll talk to you soon.